In this video, we're looking at how tables work inside HTML. As you can see in this example here, which the link will be in the YouTube description, you can see that we have a 3-column table with 7 rows, and it has some CSS formatting on it. Let's not worry about the CSS formatting at the moment because we'll be going through that in future videos. So if we look at the HTML code underneath the bonnet, as you can see here, we've got some CSS formatting, which we're going to ignore. The formatting is what's actually adjusting the font and also those different colored rows. But if you actually look at the code here, we have a table tag, and like all HTML, we have to close it off. But as you can see here, it can look quite confusing. Most people don't use tables anymore because they're hard to code or they're just clunky. Please don't use tables for organizing the layout of your website. It's very tempting to do once you know how to do them or using a tool like Wix or Weebly. However, they're very bad ways of organizing websites. If you want to look at how to organize a website, please look at my future CSS videos on how to organize the layout of your site. If we break down the tags here, we have a table row tag in here. So obviously that designates a new row. And when we end a row, you can see it ends a row and goes down. So we have 3 table headings, which are company, contact, and country here. And you can see by the TH tags for headings. And then inside each of them, we have data. So we have, I'm not going to try to pronounce that name there, but you can see there's a name, 3 names there, which are very Germanic. And you can see there that it's basically a combination of opening up table rows, and inside that table rows, you have table data. So you open up a table row and you put table data inside it. So as you can see here, we have that here. So obviously the top one's going to be table headings. You don't need to use the table tags, but a TD tags is exactly the same, except all it is you're putting non-bold data into there. So they're very clunky tables. I do suggest you play around with them a bit because sometimes tables are an excellent way of presenting data in a visual way, especially if you're doing comparisons or comparing similar data. But as I stressed before, please don't use them to organize the layout of your HTML file. They are very tempting, but it's very poor practice. You should be using CSS layout, which there will be future videos on. Please look at the YouTube description for more information on tables. Thank you for watching.